Hey everyone, welcome to my brand new fashion channel. So now I'm going to show you I'm so excited, I'm going to show you all my favorite stuffs because let me tell you, I have worn all the stuffs right here, and whatever I'm going to show you, this are linked some to some memories of mine because every events from the last October till the previous month I have wore someday or like for some events. Now all those are very nostalgia from my heart, so I do feel like all these are my favorite pieces which I'm going to show it to you all. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first up, I'm going to show you a sleek piece, and this is one of my favorite, and it's a brand new. So like I haven't wear it since it was brought, and this is the first time I would be wearing it in future. This one is a sleek piece. You can see. I don't know whether you can see or not. Just like a earring, you can wear it with a lehenga or you can pair it up with a sari. It's like so nice. Now the second one, this is also one of the elegant, and this is also brand new because I haven't worn. I just have I am a fond of making collections because in the thought of like I'll wear someday or maybe not now maybe because I have like a fondness of making a collection of it. So yeah, this is also one of my favorite. This is this one. This is also a very elegant piece. You can wear it like with salwar, or I'm just thinking of wearing it with one of my tops. It's also a traditional one. It's so nice. Now let's come and look at my jhumka section. So the first thing which I'm going to show you is this one. This is such a nice one. You can see this is like glittery one, and it also has all these like ringing stuffs and all. This is so nice looking, and you can see that it actually matches with my top. So like it's so nice. Coming to the next piece, I have a black tarnished jhumka. I don't know how to show it to you guys, like this. Yeah, this is a black tarnished oxidized jhumka. This is such a nice one. I do love all these stuffs to pair it up. Like it's a minimal wear. So if you don't want it something to be heavy and a simple look with a bindi, then you can just go with that. Now one jhumka I might have to tell you because this one is one of the most wearable thing of mine. Like for if my friends do see this video, this is something which I wore like in the most of the days of an event like for the previous month. So this just favorite, and this is this one. I do love this one so much because one thing about it, it's so easy to wear. You can see this one, this nips. Although it's a metal nips, but it does not put me so much effort to just get into my ears. It's so nice. I just love this. And one thing about this is whenever you are pairing such a minimal gold jewelry, you can go it up with like anywhere. So it does not like anything particular you have to wear with it. I also had gone with a black dress or like with a sari or with any kurta set, etc. This fourth one, this is also such a nice one because this also my mom gave me. It's like so nice. Let me show you up. This is one of the piece. Like this is the jhumka, you can see. Now one thing is that you can see it's a design of Krishna which has been fully made. It's such a elegant piece, like so nice. This is how it looks with me. I will really make a video with the sari, and I'll show you the look with this one. It's time to show you up with the jumbo jhumka which I do have. This is this one. Like it's so nice. This is a jumbo. Now one thing disadvantage is that whenever I have to wear this, it like feels so heavy, like my head is down, and actually my head is so small, it doesn't fit with my head as well. So what I thought of is now actually in online you'll see latkans which put it in the ears, and I will buy one of that to just like accommodate with my head whatsoever. This is also one of my favorite piece. It's a golden with white pearls. It's so nice. Actually I wore such a top now that it goes with everything. I don't know why. This is a sleek earring. It's a western style, so obviously it will not go with any traditional wear. So you have to wear something like tops or one piece or two piece, whatever. You can pair it up. It's a dangle earring I do have, but I haven't wore till now. There's also one thing which is very common. Once again, I have a common wear piece now, and I think that this earpiece everybody do have. This is like a drop one which was on the trend. So like I just get one because I saw random reels on this, like everyone was wearing that. It was fashion so much then, back today's day. So I just thought, why not? And yeah, now this one is so much elegant, like so nice. This is a white white coated something like silvery effect. This is a jhumka only. You can see how much nice is it. Once I wore it with my birthday outfit, it was so nice. This one goes right with my top because you know you have white designs and all. So yeah, I think it's pretty much everything. Yeah, also I need to show you one thing up. Just wait. So this jhumka, one of my friend get me from the Shantiniketan, and this is so nice. Like I love this one. You can see. This is a maroon jhumka, and I will definitely wear this with a red kurta or a something red. Like my last piece of today, I'll show you something very nice. Like I have wore for once, but it's also such a heavy thing. Like this one. This is such a jumbo jewelry. That's this. So yeah, that's pretty much for today. Bye bye guys. If you have loved my video, because this is my first video, obviously I'm a little bit scared and nervous also while talking with you all guys, but I hope I would be getting comfort soon. So yeah, wish me luck. And if you guys are interested to look back into my channel, do press that subscribe button, like my video and share as much as possible. So bye for now guys, see you in my next video.